chicken on the Blackstone is amazing. When you do chicken on the Blackstone and put it on a skewer, it makes it even more awesome. Hey, today, bang, bang, chicken on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get going. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started with this bang bang chicken is I got 2 chicken breasts that I have already cubed up. Pretty easy, just made it into manageable pieces here, okay? We gotta season these bang bang chickens up. Gonna use a little bit of avocado, olive oil, and a little paprika. It's gonna give some nice color. There will be a full recipe down below and also a link to Blackstone products. A little bit of salt. Gonna do a little pepper, a little pep. Next, we're gonna use a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of onion powder. Last but not least, a little bit of garlic powder. I like to go kind of heavy on the garlic. We're gonna mix this up. If you see that it's a little bit dry or maybe lacking of some flavor, maybe you want a little bit more paprika, go ahead and add it. You know, this is your thing. You know, do what you want to do. Cool thing about having a Blackstone and when you do skewers is you don't have to worry about soaking these things, or that, you know, they don't have to burn or anything like that. So you just thread them suckers on and don't have to worry about it. It's just as easy as that. You know what I like is, you know, the skewers makes it nice and portable. You know, you want to walk around your house, town, you want to go to like your supermarket. You just walk around and have one of these bad boys and just be eating on it. However you want to do it. So, all right, we got all of our chicken onto our skewers. Now is the part that you really need. This is the bang bang sauce. This is what makes it bang bang, okay? To a bowl, we're gonna add a good amount of mayonnaise, about a cup. To that, we're gonna add some sweet chili sauce. Couple that with some mayonnaise, makes it muy bueno. All right, a little bit of sriracha, and we're gonna use a little bit of honey. This right here is just gonna sweeten it up, take off that bite, give that a little mixy. Actually, to redden this up a little bit more, how about a little bit of paprika? That way the chicken will have some nice color to it. There we go. Gosh, come on. Let's give it a little try. Let's give it a little try. Bang, bang. Woo, that's good. All right, we're gonna head on over to the griddle. We got it pre-warmed already, got it on low. We're gonna get these chicken skewers down. We're gonna try that bang, bang chicken. After you get your skewers down, let those cook on that one side for about 3 to 4 minutes. After about 3 to 4 minutes, take a look, and this is what you're looking for. You want a nice caramelization. Give those a flip onto the other side, and you want to cook this until about 165 degrees internal. Once you get a nice crust on all sides of the chicken's not quite done. This is where we introduce our sauce, and you want this sauce to just cook into the chicken. We're just going to keep flipping it every now and again. It's been about 5 to 7 minutes, and we've just been turning these every so often. You want to add a little bit more of that sauce, add a little bit more of that sauce, and just keep turning it every so often. Once your skewers get about 165 degrees internal, you're good. Get those onto a serving platter. Let's head on over here. Let's finish these things up, and we're gonna give them a try. Man, these skewers look amazing. Added our bang bang sauce right there. Just needs a little bit of greenery, might have company coming over. A little bit of just some green onions. There you have it, bang bang chicken. Let's give these bang bang chicken skewers a try. I'm gonna try it without the sauce first. I mean, we got the sauce on here. Whoop. We got some extra over here to dip it in. Cheers. That's pretty good right there. Not a lot of heat, just a little bit. A little sweetness I get. There's a little bit of warmth there. I would say just warm, not hot. Try it with this sauce. I'm a condiment lover, and well, we're gonna try it. That's what I like right there. That sauce. That sauce is amazing, y'all. This will be great over some pasta, some rice, some mashed potatoes, about any dang thing, to be honest with you. But we're just gonna eat them just like this because, well, it's some good groceries. Y'all, hey, I appreciate you watching. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Hussey, and that's some good groceries.